Give me thumbs up. Hey, I'm Vince. I'm in Flemington, New Jersey. Blue Dream Pool came in and did a complete renovation. Before that, I had a full concrete pool that was painted. They came in and brought it down to its original, repaired all the plumbing, did replaster, tile, redid the drains. They actually moved my filter out to a new platform. I had a lot of problems with water coming in. They put a retaining wall in. Every recommendation that Hikmet had turned out to be just right on point. He did the main drain completely around the pool. I have no water puddling. The pavers are amazing. Everything is level. They redid the coping. You can't probably see it, but he also put some accent tiles on the steps going in. My wife and I are just incredibly over the moon for our pool, to the point now it's October 1st, and it's going to break our hearts to close it. Again, his crew was on point. They were here every day. And I will say that, you know, we changed the color of our pool about a day before. Hikmet was really gracious and accommodating. He sent one of his guys an hour away to pick up the material. So again, he's just a pleasure to work with. He comes see the job in the morning. At night, his guys are just incredible. So, you know, if you have any thoughts or you know, of not going with him, I would say you would make a mistake. You need to bring Blue Dream Pool in to do your complete reno. They're a pleasure to work with, and you know, you become part of his family. So thumbs up, Blue Dream.
Thank you. Enjoy your pool always.